Alright my people, una welcome back to Prince TV News. Una know how this edition take dey be say as we take see the matter so na so we take dey table am for this stand show. Una go see how things take dey play so. Alright, before we enter the major reason wey be like say na carry us come here like this na so, I go first of all just give a little bit advert for this particular t-shirt wey we just get like this. So if you be like say you be fans of Prince TV, you need the t-shirt, all you have to do na just to message me for my Instagram, then everything go just land for your domot. They'll give you how it dey happen. I'll give you the update. You don't need to stress. You go come meet you for your own domot for your house, so you go see how it dey be so. Alright, like this now so we get better updates wey be like say the Giorgia Meloni wey be the Fratelli d'Italia, the leader, he don call out check come out say the Green Pass say they no go everly agree. We never know whether this their propaganda go come to pass. You know, say every time this lady dey change through immigrants with Matteo Salvini, and then they change through immigrants wey be like say they dey for the country. May not be like say we just dey start the matter for here now so. Without wasting time, more kicking inside, more see how it take play.
Prince TV.
Alright, the leader of the Fratelli d'Italia, as I tell una before, the Giorgia Meloni, na be this lady una dey see so. They don't call out come out for parliament, guy. When I see the parade where the way where they protest for inside their own parliament, now no say you not get where political problem not dey. Go for Germany, go for Austria, even Nigeria wanna say na there be the headquarter of political problem. Not be only Nigeria, now for the whole world. Different type of view with different political parties, now they cause wahala. Just that our own Nigeria own those ones. Na juju be their also. Guy, if you see the way when the Fratelli d'Italia take come out, all their members, their senators, guy, if you see how they take the kind of like they protest, say they don't need the Green Pass, say lie, say the Green Pass, they don't want them for this Italy, say no go everly penetrate. This one might be the reason why una see say the Giorgia Meloni can't bring out the idea say all the political parties no go feel a kind of like support one government, because if they go the wrong side, or if you get any demand where they place where be like say they don't like, so that they go feel oppose them. This is why you see say this Giorgia Meloni now so as the leader of the Fratelli d'Italia, he can't say like say you know they support this particular man known as Mario Draghi. You understand? For those of you when we never know the Prime Minister of Italy, when be the Mario Draghi now so, now be this man one they see for board. Now this lady be the person when we say he talk say you know Gavali give the support, give this particular man when be the Prime Minister. So now as the man won't do the Green Pass now like this, she can come out for the motion, stand against it, saying that them, their own political party, not sign the Green Pass, say there must be a liberty for Italians. For those of you when we never see, yeah, they do this protest for inside the parliament. Oh yeah, shaky lele.
Ma dimmi che non potevano sospenderla prima a questo punto. Sì, è anche più bello sospenderla per la questione costituzionale che non Valentino, mi permetto
that one I be on Fratelli d'Italia where they protest for inside the parliament. until on the 6th na we go know how e go take be, because you know say all these people na propagandas dem dey do. Now dem no see how dem wan take centro immigrant again, me and Savini. Dem no see how dem wan take centro immigrant. Dem come still dey fight the government wey be like say dem still dey power. Normally the green pass or not green pass, not be everybody really support am, because to vaccinate shouldn't be a thing of must. I repeat am again for my platform, you understand? So make you let me know wetin you dey think about this issue, because now as e take be na on the 6th na we go know whether their own power go fit supersede this particular prime minister wey be the Mario Draghi, when don put the law say as from the 6th of August if you no vaccinate you no go fit enter for the restaurants. So na wetin dey happen for the parliament currently. Now Sisema let una know how the Fratelli d'Italia and the rest wey be the senators take come out come protest against this matter. More than know how things dey happen. So without wasting time, we'll go straight to the next article. We'll see how it happen.
I go by the name of Flex. Yeah, yeah. Oluwa settle my case and make my life